What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the iPhone 11 on iOS 14.4.1. So this update it just came out of nowhere. I mean, seriously, I didn't expect this update to drop today, and Apple thought to just drop this update today. I thought the beta 3 of iOS 14.5 is going to drop this week, which is still expected that Apple is going to drop the beta 3 of iOS 14.5 this week, and as soon as maybe today, the day I'm uploading this video. So it is expected that Apple is going to drop the 14.5 beta 3, and the public release will happen of iOS 14.5 later this month, maybe next week. I thought that Apple is going to release the RC this week, but now it is expected that Apple is going to push the schedule as they release the 14.4.1. So Apple will give some time to users to update their devices on this firmware, then they'll move forward to iOS 14.5. So it will take some time. We will get a lot of betas. I think we will get like around 4 or 5 betas of iOS 14.5. Who knows? Let's see. I'll be reviewing all of my devices on that iOS 14.5 firmware. So if you are new here, consider dropping a like and subscribe to this channel if you do find this video helpful. Now, talking about the battery life on my iPhone 11 after installing this update, I played some games. I was just scrolling through the UI. I used my maps for some time because I was out of my house. I was using my maps and I took some photograph. I just used my device really extensively after that update iOS 14.4.1, and it comes out that battery life is a bit better on iOS 14.4.1. I actually use low power mode almost all the time on my devices, so consider that to be a factor, as not everyone uses low power mode on their devices, and at the same point not everyone enables Bluetooth and mobile data on their device all the time. So my Bluetooth is 24/7 on because my AirPods are here. So my Bluetooth and everything, location services and everything is on 24/7, and after using my device for almost 24 hours now, my experience have been pretty darn good. And talking about the performance is almost the same as iOS 14.5 general, just scrolling through the UI and everything. The thing with these devices is the A13 Bionic is already so fast, and the thing is that if I'm reviewing this device on any firmware, this device will get more impact of every firmware than these newer devices. So that's why I prefer making updates videos on this device frequently than my iPhone 11, 12 and 10, because these devices are still pretty damn fast, whereas this is just almost at the end of its life, because iOS 15 is probably the last update iPhone 7 will get. The stability of iPhone 11 on this firmware is actually pretty good. I didn't really came across any bugs at all on this device. I was using this device for it's been almost 24 hours as I said, and I didn't really came across any respring or anything till now. But still, I would recommend you guys to wait for some time for my follow-up video. My follow-up video will come this weekend, so if you can wait for that video, it's pretty good. But my early thoughts are that this update is really damn good, and I would recommend you guys to install this update on your devices, because this update brings in a lot of security features which is really important for your iPhone. And security is just on the priority of Apple always. So if you want the latest security fixes and bug fixes, install this update right now. The battery is a bit better than iOS 14.4, not like drastically better than iOS 14.4, but still it is just a tad bit better than iOS 14.4. And talking about the normal major UI, as I just said, it is almost the same. The only thing is that you are getting 200 MBs back after installing this update on your device. Talking about the update side, this update was around 156.9 MBs on my device, and this was a pretty light update, and considering after installing the update I got over 200 MBs back. So that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you all, consider dropping a like and subscribe to this channel, because I do these type of things almost daily and I don't want you guys to miss that. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.